Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. Today also we will solve the questions from integers chapter, exercise number 1.4. We will solve question number 1, 2, 3. There are many bits in all these questions. So I'll show you few bits. Remaining bits you can complete it by yourself. Question number 1. There are bits from A to I. I'll show you A, B, C. The remaining bits you can complete it by yourself. So the statement of the question is evaluate each of the following. Evaluate means to determine the value of expression or to compute or to determine more specific value. Means we have to give the more specific value. You have to compute, you have to calculate and give the more specific value. Means you can up to what limit, the maximum limit you can do the calculation. That we have to do it here. So the bit number A, minus 30 divided by 10. So what you have to do, the solution, minus 30, you have to divide it by 10. When we divide a negative integer by a positive integer, we first divide them as a whole number and then put the minus sign before the quotient. So what 30 divided by 10 is equals to 3. Then finally what you have to do, you have to put the minus sign. 30 divided by 10 is equals to 3. 10 ones are 10, 10 3 is a 30. So finally you have to write down the minus sign. It's very simple. Now coming for the bit number B. 50 divided by minus 5. So 50 divided by minus 5. Here also the minus sign will be taken at the end, the whole. So 50 divided by 5 is equals to 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. When we divide a positive integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as a whole number and then put minus sign before the quotient. So here the quotient is what? Quotient is nothing but the answer. Here the dividend is 50, divisor, the one which divides the dividend is called the divisor, and the quotient, the answer is minus 10. Hope it is clear. Now bit number C. Here both minus 36 and minus 9. The dividend and the divisor both are with the negative sign. So what will happen? Negative will get cancelled. Minus 36 divided by minus 9, which is equals to 4. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. When we divide a negative integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as a whole number and then put positive sign before the quotient. Means negative and negative sign will get cancelled. Usually we will not indicate the positive sign before the quotient or before any number. If it is not negative, what you have to think, that the number is positive. Hope it is clear to you. Question number 2. Here there are 2 bits. So I'll show you the one bit and the second bit you can do it by yourself. Verify that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. For each of the following values A, B, C. Here the values are given. For A, B and C, and here what we have to show, that division cannot be distributed over addition. So they were not equal. You have to apply this law. Means a distributive property is there, division is not applicable on the addition. So A is equals to, we'll substitute, first we will solve it for the left hand side and then we will solve for the right hand side. So from the equation, from the question, what we can say? A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. So what are the given values here? A is equals to 12, B is equals to minus 4, C is equals to 2. We have to compute it. We have to do the calculation here. Now first left hand side, A divided by B plus C. A is 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. Then minus 4 plus 2 is equals to how much? It is equals to minus 2. 12 divided by minus 2, which is equals to minus 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. The final answer is minus 6. When we divide a positive integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as a whole number and then put minus sign before the quotient. Then this is the answer. What answer we got it for the left hand side? Minus 6. So whatever given in the bracket, that we will compute first, that we will calculate first. Then we will divide with the number which is not in the bracket. Now for the right hand side, there are two brackets. So we will solve the brackets completely separately. Then we will add them. 12 divided by minus 4. A value is 12. 12 divided by minus 4 is equals to minus 3. Then 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. So minus 3 plus 6 is equals to 3. So what answer we got for the right hand side? It is 3. By comparing left hand side and the right hand side, minus 6 is not equal to 3. What we got? According to the law, it is not equal. The left hand side is not equal to right hand side. That only we have to prove. As the given values are verified. So in the same way, you have the second bit also. You have to substitute the values and prove whatever it is. You have to verify. You have to verify means you have to show that left hand side and right hand side, if it is given not equal, so you have to prove they are not equal. In the same way, you can do the next bit also. Hope it is clear to you. Fill in the blanks. 369 divided by what number to get 369? Yes, how we have to solve it. Let us assume the missing integer be x. 369 divided by x is equals to 369. Now you transpose 369 to the other side. So what happened? 369 divided by 369. So x is equals to how much? 369 divided by 369 is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. So when 369 divided by 1, you will get 369. It's very simple. Now this next is minus 75 divided by what? To get minus 1. Minus 75 divided by 75 to get minus 1. So let us assume the missing integer as x. 75 divided by x is equals to minus 1. Then what happened? Then bring this 1 to the other side. So what will happen? X is equals to 75 divided by minus 1. Then minus 1 and minus sign will get cancelled. Minus and minus. X is equals to 75. Now put the value of x in the blank. So what is the value you have to put in the blank? It is what? It is, yes, 75. It is 75. X is equals to 75. Hope it is clear to you. Solve the remaining bits. Enjoy yourself. Be happy. Take care. Like my channel. Subscribe my channel. Thank you, children.